Hello, this is Laptop Media, and today, we will show you how to open the Lenovo ThinkPad L13 Yoga and what's inside of it. What is separating you from this laptop's internals are 9 Phillips head captive screws, which are not detaching from the bottom plate after being undone. After that, you need to remove the stylus, and then pry the panel away with a plastic tool, starting from the back. Please remember, it would be of great help to us if you just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That would motivate us to make even more and better videos for you. Cooling wise, we see the standard heat pipe and a single fan that blows the heat away from the notebook. Sadly, you can see the memory modules just above the processor. This means that you won't be able to upgrade it after you purchase the device, which leaves you with the 4, 8, or 16 gigabytes you paired the laptop initially. On the bright side, you can put a faster and larger SSD via the M.2 PCIe X4 slot. And when it comes to the battery, you get a 46 watt-hours unit. If you'd like to see more disassembly videos of the latest notebooks, we would highly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.